What will the weather be today? Every morning we look out of the window to check what the day will be like. Atmospheric conditions determine our mood, ability to concentrate, well-being and quality of life. The Institute of Meteorology and Water Management was founded in 1972. Its history, however, dates further back, as the Institute is continuing to perform the duties and preserve the traditions of the hydrological and meteorological services, created by the Polish state in 1919. The Institute carries out research on hydrology, meteorology, climatology, atmospheric monitoring, water engineering and management, oceanography, verification of hydrological and meteorological data. We provide our services mainly to state institutions. However, our experts' reports and services are also available to commercial organizations. The Institute is supervised by the Minister of the Environment. The Institute deals mostly with weather forecasting, and indeed, it is, together with hydrological forecasting, one of the most important fields of our activity. The Institute constantly measures and analyzes atmospheric and hydrological conditions and prepares short and long-term weather forecasts. Moreover, the Institute analyzes the degree of background air pollution and radioactivity. It monitors water quality in Polish lakes, rivers and in the Baltic Sea, as well as the safety of damming structures, dams, weirs and flood banks. The remaining tasks of the Institute include the calibration and inspection of the measuring equipment, as well as overseeing standardization of the measurements taken in accordance with international standards. How does the Institute of Meteorology and Water Management work? At the core of our activity is the analysis of data which we collect from our own measurement and observational system. In Poland, there are over 2,000 centers where meteorological and hydrological data is collected. The data from most of these centers is sent to the Institute every hour, 24/7, 365 days a year. Their work is supported by 8 meteorological radars, which cover the whole territory of Poland. The measurement and observational system also includes 9 stations which serve to detect and locate lightning. Our equipment is able to locate lightning with accuracy, down to 1 kilometer over around 95% of the territory of Poland. Aerological observation centers are also situated in certain places in the country, performing vertical profiles of the atmosphere up to 30 kilometers above the ground. The Satellite Remote Sensing Center operates as part of the Institute. It has a station collecting data directly from subarctic and geostationary meteorological satellites. In the center, the data is analyzed, and this is how we get the satellite weather forecasts familiar from the television. One of the elements of the Institute's measurement system is the research vessel RV Baltica. With the use of this vessel, research is performed regarding the quality of water in the Baltic Sea, its temperature, depth and other oceanographic parameters. Apart from the data collected from its own measurement network, the Institute also uses data from other countries. We are also active members of the most important international meteorological associations. All the data collected by the Institute forms a basis for drawing up current everyday analyses and forecasts for the future. The Institute of Meteorology and Water Management is an institution which helps millions of Poles in their everyday life. From a brief weather forecast published in a newspaper, through the latest information in nationwide and regional radio stations, and everyday messages on the water level in the main Polish rivers, to expert forecasts for planes taking off and fishing boats setting out to sea. We warn central and voivodeship institutions, as well as the whole of society, against dangerous atmospheric and hydrospheric phenomena. Our forecasts are used by many trades, in particular mass media, aviation, cell phone networks, transport and energy companies. They also benefit research teams, as well as students and scientific workers at many universities. In order to deliver products to its clients promptly and accurately, the Institute implemented a customer service system, which facilitates cooperation and data exchange. Within its framework, a profile is created for each product, and the most convenient way of delivering the products to the customer is determined, either through the computer network, the internet, by telephone or cell phone network. Our forecasts and experts' opinions are prepared thanks to the professional training and long experience of our employees, access to national and foreign measurement systems, appropriate IT equipment, and constant analysis of the data at hand. Employing state-of-the-art scientific and technical achievements, as well as benefiting from current international cooperation, are the reasons why the Institute of Meteorology and Water Management is able to ensure a professional and reliable service. We invite you to cooperate with us.